Okay, children. Good morning to all. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So,
Morning, ma'am.
last class. Good morning, children. Good morning. Very good morning. So, last class I have given a homework to you. Do you remember? I have given a homework. Do you remember that? Children, last class I have given one homework. Do you remember? It is if x equal to 4 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Isn't it? Did you do it? Now started. Your silence started again. Open your mouth and tell me, did you do the homework or not? Either yes or no. Now only you are opening the notes, I think. Did you do the homework? Afsana, Fia, Emil, did you do the homework?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes? No? Hey, Steve, Adidev, Ashik, John Samuel, only Meghna did. Only Meghna did. Show your hands, those who did. Show your hand, those who did the homework. Ashik. See, I'm not wasting the time to scold you. See, if I have given a homework, at least you should tell me whether you have done or not. If you are not done, I will explain it. For explaining, I am asking you. Okay. Okay, it is all that homework full of fractions. If you do not know, I will explain it. Don't worry. Okay, children. Okay, what was the question? Somebody please tell the question at least.
If x equal to 4 by 3 is a
Solution of the
is a zero
equation.
polynomial,
Yes.
6x cube minus 11x raised to 2 plus
Yes.
k minus 20.
Good, good, good.
Find
Okay,
k.
okay. I'll do it. Wait. Wait. X equal to 4 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Wait, children, wait. Can you see the board?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see the board?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the homework, now I am going to explain the homework. Listen to me. Okay. The homework was, if x equal to 4 by 3 is a solution of the polynomial 6x cube minus 11x square plus kx minus 20, find the value of k. This was the question. Okay. And what do you mean by the 0 of the polynomial? What do you mean by 0 of the polynomial? Yes, children? Yes. X equal to 4 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial means that if this is a polynomial f of x, then this f of 4 by 3 will be equal to 0. F of 4 by 3 will be equal to 0. That means instead of x, if you are substituting 4 by 3, instead of x, if you are substituting 4 by 3, you will get the answer as 0. The answer you know already. X equal to 4 by 3. Okay? Okay? Okay, children,
Okay,
shall I
ma'am.
explain it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, x equal to 4 by 3. That is f of 4 by 3 is 0. F of 4 by 3. That means when you substitute 4 by 3 instead of x, we will get the value as 0. So, this is our polynomial f of x equal to polynomial f of x equal to. Is it same, the polynomial? Just check your question whether it is same or not. Just check. Is the same polynomial?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Okay, same polynomial. So
Yes,
f
ma'am.
of 4 by 3. You are going to find f of 4 by 3. That instead of x, you are giving 4 by 3. That is 6 into 4 by 3 all cube. 4 by 3 all cube minus 11 into 4 by 3 all square plus k into 4 by 3 minus 20, and you will get the answer as 0. And the answer is 0. Minus 20 equal to 0. Answer is 0. F of 4 by 3 is 0. Now you are going to, we are going to expand it. Okay, children, f of 4 by 3. 6 into 4 by 3 all cube. What is 6 into 4 by 3 all cube? 4 by 3 all cube. What is 4 by 3 all cube? What is 4 cube? What is 4 cube? 4 into 4 into 4. Can you tell what is 4 cube?
64.
64. Good. 64. And what is 3 cube?
27.
27. Good. Now,
27.
what is 11 into? What is 4 square? 4 square is
16.
16 by
16.
3 square is 9.
9.
Plus k into 4 is 4k by 3 minus 20 equal to 0. Can you see the board properly? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Okay. Now you cancel
Yes,
the
ma'am.
6 and 27 with the 3. So we'll get 2 and 9. Clear? Now children, two fractions are there with the denominator 9. There are two fractions with the denominator 9. One is 2 into 64. What is 2 into 64? 128.
128.
2 into 64 is 128 by 9 minus 11 into 60. Can you find out 11 into 16? What is 11 into 16? What is 11 into 16? Find first. What is 11 into 16? Yes, children? 11 into 16. Multiply. Yes?
76.
176. 176 by 9. Plus 4k by 3 minus 20 equal to 0. Now look at this. Look at this. 128 by 9 and 176 by 9 you can calculate. It is same, means it is a like fraction. Means it is denominator is same. Isn't it? Isn't it? Denominator is same. Which when you calculate these two values, you will get an answer. Can you calculate it? Can you calculate? Means when you calculate these two values, you will get an answer. Calculate and tell me what is the answer.
Negative 48.
Negative?
48 by 9.
Negative 48 by 9. Is it Is it true for everyone? You got this? Negative 48?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Then 4k by 3 minus 20 equal to 0. Now children listen. Now there are two fractions with the denominator 9 and denominator 3. For this what you will do? Okay. How will you do it now? How will you do it? How will you do it? You have to find the LCM. LCM. What is the LCM of this? 9 and 3. What is the LCM?
3.
3 is the LCM. LCM of 9 and 3. What is the
9.
LCM?
9.
9.
So all divided by 9. You can write divided by 9. This one you no need of doing anything because it's already 9. But 4k by 3. 4k by 3. How will you make as 9? Into 3 you will get 12k by 9. Isn't it? Isn't it? When you make the denominator as 9, you will get 12k by 9. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So it is 12k by 9. And what about 20? 20, you think that it is 1 by 1. So, how will you do? 20 into 9 minus 180 by 9 equal to 0. Now you can write it as all divided by 9, right? Minus 48 plus 12k minus 180 all divided by 9 equal to 0. Clear? Now, negative 48 and negative 180 is there. So you can add that. So you will get an answer. Yes, children? Yes? So when you added, you will get one value. Can you tell what is that value? Negative 48 and negative 180.
Negative.
Negative? Both negative. Negative
220.
228 plus 12k all divided by 9 equal to 0. Okay, children? Did you understand it this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen. Listen, children. Now, will you shift this 9 to that side? What will happen? When you shift divided by 9 to right side, what is the answer? Divided by 9 to right side. Shift divided by 9 to right side. Divided by 9 to right side. So how will you get the answer? Negative
0
2.
dot.
Yes. Plus 12k equal to 0 into 9. That is
into
0
9.
itself. Okay. So you got the answer as negative 228 plus 12k equal to 0. Now keep 12k here itself and shift that minus 228 to that side. So you will get positive 228. Now find out k. Find out k. Find out k. Fast.
19.
19. Good. K is 19. That is 228 divided by 12 and the answer is 19. Answer is 19. Okay, children. So this was the question which I have given you. Okay, children. Okay. Did you finish writing? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now, next one is a very important topic. Now, up to this, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, children, shall I erase the board? Okay, listen, children. So this up to this, it was find the if zero of the polynomial is given, how to find a constant k like that. So next one is a very important topic, and it is the gist of this chapter, and it is remainder theorem. Now we are going to study two theorems, very important theorems, and it is remainder theorem and factor theorem. Both are very important. Remainder theorem. Clear? Did you understand? So there are two topics, important topics for this, two theorems. And now we are going to study those theorems. It is remainder theorem. So take your notes and write it as remainder theorem. Okay. Okay, children. So next topic is remainder theorem. Remainder. Remainder. Do you know what is a remainder? Remainder. What is the meaning of a remainder? Which number you are telling as a reminder? How will you get a reminder? Tell me. How will you get a reminder? Yes, children? Which number you are calling a reminder?
If a number is not divisible by a.
Yes, if a number is not divisible by a number or a divisor, the number which we are getting as now, suppose if it is 11 by 2, 11 by 2, I'll write 14, wait. 15 by 2. 15 by 2. What is the answer? 15 by 2. 7, 14. Which is remainder here? Which is remainder here? Can you tell me?
1.
1 is the remainder. Okay, good. So this chapter we are dealing with is remainder theorem. Means a polynomial when it is divisible by a number. So remainder theorem deals with the polynomial. Remainder theorem is like a polynomial. Remainder theorem is based on a polynomial.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, children. So now we are going to start the theorem. It is remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is on polynomials. Polynomials division and remainder theorem. Okay, polynomials division. Have you studied polynomials division in 8th standard? Polynomials division in 8th standard? You have studied?
No, ma'am.
Polynomials division. Do you remember long division of polynomials?
Yes, ma'am.
Long division of polynomials, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have you studied division of polynomials?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Listen. So remainder theorem is, listen, remainder theorem actually it states like this. If a polynomial is divided by, if a polynomial is divided by another polynomial. Don't write, listen. If a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, no need of doing the long division method. If a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, I'll show you like this. Listen. See, there is a polynomial. Suppose x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. It is divided by another polynomial x minus 1. No need of writing. It is just an example. No need of writing. Ashik, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. If a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, if a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, small polynomial like x minus a linear polynomial, no need of dividing it. Without dividing, you can find the remainder. Without dividing, you can find the remainder. The remainder is p of 1. Means, instead of x, if you are giving 1, the value you will get is the remainder. Okay, children? Listen. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. If you are dividing a big polynomial, means a third degree or fourth degree polynomial by a linear polynomial, that means a first degree polynomial, no need of dividing fully. You will get the remainder by substituting the value in the polynomial. Like this. Listen. If you are dividing with x minus 1, the remainder is p of 1. Can you find out the relation between this x minus 1 and p of 1? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. If you are dividing with x minus 2, the remainder is p of 2. Now, can you find out the relation between this minus 2 and 2?
Yeah,
If you are dividing with x minus 3, the remainder will be p of 3. Now, can you find out?
ma'am,
Listen, children.
sign change.
Listen, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. Can you find out any relationship between this x minus 1 and p of 1? And what about this x minus 3 and p of 3? And what is this x minus 2 and p of 2?
Both have two same numbers.
Both have 2. Listen. So, no need of doing the long division method. No need of doing the long division method. You can find the remainder easily. I'll give an example. Afterwards, I'll explain the theorem. That will be easy for you. Listen. Take your notes and write this. This question. You have written remainder theorem as the topic, isn't it? You have written remainder theorem as the heading, isn't it? Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So, question is, our example is, find the remainder. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. When? Find the remainder when? When? X raised to 4. X raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. X plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 is divided by x minus 1. divided by x minus 1. Okay, children, listen. Listen, what is the polynomial? Can anybody read the polynomial? What is the polynomial? What is the polynomial? Tell me. Read the polynomial.
X raised to 4 plus
You give the name as P of x. P of
P
x
of-
equal to
X raised to
x
4
raised to 4
plus
plus
X raised to 3 X cube
minus
2x
2x
square
square
plus
plus
X plus
x
1.
plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. You have to find the remainder. You have to find the remainder. This number is divided by, divisor is x minus 1. Divisor is x minus 1. So no need of finding the long division, polynomial division. I don't know whether you remember polynomial division or not. Do you remember polynomial division? You have studied.
They did remember but forgot.
Okay, no, in this, no need of doing the polynomial division. Listen, instead of doing the division, it is like this. Means, here, can you see 1 minus 1? Can you see minus 1?
Yes,
X
ma'am.
minus 1. Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
x minus 1?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Tell me. I'm explaining an
Yes,
important
ma'am.
thing.
Ma'am.
X minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is minus 1, it is P of 1. We are substituting positive 1. Clear? So if it is
Yes, ma'am.
minus 2, how will you substitute? P of?
P of 2.
P of 2. Just opposite. If it is x plus 1, what will be that? P of? Negative 1. Okay. If it is minus 1, you are substituting 1 here. Now listen. Now listen. Listen, children. Listen. Now you are going to find P of 1. How will you find P of 1? How will you find P of 1? If it is negative 1, you have to substitute instead of x 1. So 1 raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 2 minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. Okay. What is 1 raised to 4? 1 itself. What is 1 square? Sorry, 1 cube. 1 itself. Minus 2 into 1 square. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2 plus 2. Answer is 2. Did you understand the calculation? Okay, did you understand the calculation?
Yes.
Listen,
Yes, ma'am.
you are substituting instead of x 1. From where you got that 1? From the divisor. It is x minus 1. So you are substituting 1 instead of x. So x, wherever you see x, you substitute 1. 1 raised to 4. X cube is 1 cube. Minus 2 into x square is 1 square. Plus, instead of x, 1. 1 plus 1. 1 raised to 4 is 1 itself. 1 cube also 1. 2 into 1 square also 1. Plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Then again 1 plus 1 you will get 2. Minus 2 plus 2. And the answer is? This 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled and answer is 2.
2.
This is the remainder. Okay, children? No need of doing long division method. You found the remainder. This is the remainder. Remainder is 2. Remainder is 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now did you get anything? Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So no need of doing the long division method. Just substitute and find out the value.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children? Shall I give one question?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give one more question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Find the remainder. Next question. I'll give the question. Second question. Afterwards, I will explain remainder theorem. Oh, then only you will understand. Okay. Find the remainder. Second question. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. When. Find the remainder when P of x equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 is divided by x minus 1. I have a notebook. Okay, is divided by x minus 1. Okay, children, how will you proceed? How will you do it? How will you do? Did you understand anything? Did you
We will-
understand?
ma'am.
How will you do this? Tell me.
X minus 1
Please
will be
unmute and tell me.
We will substitute x
Substitute. Which value?
1.
1. So you are substituting 1 instead of. So P of x equal to 3. 1 minute. Okay. So P of x equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. You are going to find out P of 1. P of 1. P of 1. When you will get an answer, that is the remainder. Anybody got the answer?
3.
Yes?
3.
Anyone got the answer? Eh?
1.
Reminder. Is it
Ma'am,
1?
4 only.
No.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
No. You are getting different answers.
Negative 2.
No. Tell me, how will you do it? 3 into 1 raised to 4, right? Minus
Yes, ma'am.
4 into 1 cube. This is 1 cube. Minus 3 into 1. Minus 1. What is 3 into 1 raised to 4? 3 into 1. Minus 4 into 1. Minus 3 into 1. Minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. All minus you add together. All minus. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus 7 minus 1 minus 8. What is the answer? 3 minus 8? Minus 5. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. See? You are not aware of the negative or the positive addition and multiplication till now. Okay, children? So this is remainder theorem. So theorem I'll take in the next class. Okay, children, shall I leave now? Okay, I will explain it again next class. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I leave now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I will